All right, so today we're going to take a look at something I learned as a young lad, and I just played over and over again 1,000 times, and because I loved it so much. And here it goes. It goes like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to run a basic rock blues scale, and we're going to end it on an E7 chord. So here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to put finger 3 on string 1, fret 3. Okay, then we're going to play it open. We're going to do the same thing on string 2, fret 3, open. Now we're going to use our second finger on string 3, and then open. Second fret and then open. Same here, second fret, finger 2, on string 4, open. String 5, same thing. Second finger, fret 2, then open. And then on our 6th string, we're going to play fret 3, and then open. Then we're going to play our E7 chord. The E7 chord is formulated by putting finger number 1 on string 3, fret 1. Then we're going to put finger number 2 on string 5, fret 2. String 4 is going to be open. And so what you got to do is you got to have a straight attack angle on this first finger here and the second finger, because string number 4 is going right through them with no fretting. So it should sound like this. Okay? So the whole chord, if you play it one string at a time to troubleshoot it, would sound like this. Kind of a bluesy sound. Okay? So once again, here's what we're looking at. Okay? So now, what another thing we could do, there's 2 things we're going to add to this. That's it for the beginner lesson. And if you achieve that, that's great. But if you can do an alternate picking on this situation, it's better. So for instance, when we played it just a second ago, you could do all downstrokes with the right hand. All downstrokes. But if you can advance beyond that, try to go a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. E7 chord. Okay? Now another thing that's fun to do, and later when I was young I used to play a band called Mountain a lot, and they do this thing, and Leslie West does this thing where he goes like this. He like slightly bends a note before. There's many situations. So what we're doing here is, and so the point being is that it gives it a little bit of a stylish kind of dynamic. Okay, so to make this sound a little bit more stylish, what we're going to do is we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up on this right hand. And when you play this note here, you're gonna play a slight bend, and that's done by just slightly pulling it down. Okay. So now, if we did it a little bit more advanced beginner, we're gonna go down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. A little pull. Open. E7 chord. Okay? Now, for those of you who know music theory and say, okay, this is a G sharp, and a G sharp is not normally in your rock blues scale. It's a G, okay? But we're just doing this for fun because this E7 is a blues chord, and as you advance in music theory, you can see that this scale does work, but you could use like a little different approach in a modal kind of jam for the E7. That's a whole nother story, and we can get into that later. But so that's it. So here's what we got. A cool little jam, a good way to get started in playing your single notation mixed with chords. That's it. So have a great day, practice, subscribe. See you soon.